In this video, I'll show you how to create a pie chart in Google Looker Studio step by step so you can clearly visualize how different categories contribute to a whole. Start by opening your report, then from the top toolbar click Add a Chart and select Pie Chart. Place it anywhere on the canvas and select it to open the Properties panel on the right. Here, set your dimension as the category like country or product type, and your metric as the value such as revenue or sales. Once selected, the chart updates automatically. If the data looks incorrect, check that your metric is numeric and aggregated properly, usually as a sum. Keep your charts simple by avoiding too many categories, as overcrowding can reduce clarity. Also review labels and legends so your audience can easily understand each slice. This is a simple yet powerful way to present data insights. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips.